Picture this. You're driving on the highway enjoying the drive with your family in an EV. Most of the people who buy an EV have to worry about the range, but not you. What EV comes to your mind when I say that? A Tesla? Well, how about Pravag? Sounds familiar? Even if you haven't heard the name yet, you are going to hear this sometime in the future for sure. Why? Because this is an Indian EV startup that is going to launch their first car, the Extinction Mark 1, very soon, and it is a car that competes with the likes of Tesla Model 3. And I am not exaggerating here. It is the kind of car that will give the Model 3 a run for its money. Starting with the options, the first one is a monthly subscription that you can have with unlimited kilometers, chauffeur driven, and a bespoke detailing according to the needs of the customer. I have yet to hear something similar from any brand, let alone the king of the EV world, Tesla. Now the first model that Pravag is going to roll out is the Extinction Mark 1, which is a luxury sedan as you might already have seen. Pravag has taken into consideration the obvious Indian scenarios such as bad roads, and thus they optimize the ground clearance and the suspension setting of the car according to it. First, it had just 2 doors, but to make it more practical, Pravag added 2 more doors and named it the Mark II. But they did not just add doors, they did a lot more. They are aiming for the Rolls-Royce kind of experience, you see, in the back seats, and thus the second row is the one where you probably want to be spending your time. Now let me talk about 5 of the biggest features of the Mark 1. The second row is a complete private space. There is a specific separation in between. 12-inch mirrors on the back seat enhance the friendliness of the car ergonomically. You can do whatever you want. It's really built to be a living room or an office space on wheels. You can even use the space as a serious study point. The desk is large enough to have a 16-inch laptop. You have ports to charge your laptop and stuff. Let's face it, air quality is deteriorating day by day, and that's the reason why more and more cars today are having air purifier as an option. The Extinction Mark II has one too, but it's much more advanced. The purifier has a PM 2.5 clearance, which should almost become a necessity in every car today. Safety is crucial, and the Extinction Mark 1 is safe AF. It really has been built like a tank. 5-star safety according to the safety standards. Pravag has crash tested a lot of their vehicles, the prototypes, so they have a good knowledge regarding the points where the car is bound to collapse from. Now this is the cell that goes into the Extinction Mark II. The size is same as that of your traditional remote cells, but they are so much more powerful. What you are seeing on your screen right now is a test that is being performed to demonstrate the power of one single cell. This is basically a test of the real world scenarios where something might collide with a battery pack. Here, when a nail is pushed through the cell, it's an exothermic reaction, as you can see. Molten copper just flying through everywhere. If a single cell could be so powerful, imagine what would happen with 5000 cells. Because that's the exact number of cells that are going to be packed in a battery pack, and it is going to be on the floor of the car. So it has to be ensured that the batteries don't explode if such things happen. Now here is a demonstration of just how safe the battery packs are that Pravag makes. This guy is standing on the battery pack barefoot, and we all know very well the explosion power these batteries pack. And here comes the nail. Boom! I trust that now you would be fully assured that Pravag is going to provide you a very safe car. Now, comparing it with the batteries from some of the other electric cars, a Tata Nexon has a specific energy of 95 watt-hour per kg. A Mercedes-Benz EQC has 123 watt per kg. A Hyundai Kona has a 141 watt per kg, and the king of all, Tesla Model S P100D, has a 160 watt per kg specific energy in its battery pack. The one which Pravag offers is a 155 watt per kg battery pack. This allows the cars made by Pravag to go much more further than most of the other packs can. Music is so important. I can't stress this fact enough, and Pravag knows this very well. So they chose to go with the best ones in the industry. They varied speakers, and these speakers make the Extinction Mark 1 a fast moving concert hall. The Extinction Mark 1 specs on papers seem to be good. It is going to have a 5000 cell battery pack and it will be propelled by a 96 kilowatt hour battery pack. The motors are going to provide you 201.5 bhp and the wheel torque is at 2400 Newton meters. Now please don't confuse this with the torque that the motor generates because that number is not revealed yet. This is the torque that is generated at the wheel. For context, the upcoming Tesla Roadster is going to be generating about 10,000 Newton meter of wheel torque. But these numbers don't mean anything if the car doesn't perform in real life. Well, my friend, this one does perform. You wanna know the acceleration numbers? Huh? The Extinction Mark 1 will do 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. And even after pulling some of those acceleration numbers, it will go on to do a top speed of 196 kmph. Yup, just 4 kmph short of the 200 kmph mark. It would have been a great flexing point for the owners, but it's alright. But bro, do you know Pravag Dynamics is the first Indian EV maker to claim such a huge range in its first commercial offering? The Volkswagen ID3 can barely do 500 kilometers yet. The Tesla Model 3 Performance variant claims a range of 507 kilometers in a single charge. In India, the EV with the highest range is the Hyundai Kona EV with a claimed range of 452 kilometers. MG ZS EV, which has a range of 340 kilometers, is still in process to upgrade its range to 500 kilometers. Pravag also claims that the Extinction Mark 1 can replenish to about 80% of its charge within 30 minutes. So what is the range of the Extinction Mark 1? It is going to have a range of 504 kilometers. Again, for context, a base Model 3 has a range of 263 miles or 423 kilometers. That's 90 kilometers less than what the Pravag can do. Now Pravag expects to sell around 2500 of its newly unveiled luxury electric vehicle Extinction Mark 1 every year. Pravag has also issued a statement revealing its plans to initially produce 2500 units of the EV annually from the next year. The two-door, four-seater electric car will be primarily used for commercial fleets on a subscription-based model. Pravag is aiming to produce 250 units of the Extinction Mark 1 every year. It will be initially sold in cities like Bangalore and Delhi before the EV startups adds more cities on the list like Chennai, Kolkata and more. Lastly, I would just like to say that Pravag, we are proud of the work you are doing. It feels so great to see an Indian company making such cool EVs. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate my happiness 11. So keep up the good work, Pravag. I'm counting on you. We all are. So that will be all for the Pravag Extinction Mark 1. I trust you would have liked this one. If you did, then please do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing to Motor Drift for more such content in the future. Join the Motor Drift community by clicking the links in the description below. I would love to have you as a part of it. Till then, ciao.